Razer audio app growing in popularity. One app for your Razer Bluetooth and audio devices. Quick and easy controls for your device. Select customize your chroma lighting effects. Select from EQ presets. Remap controls to your preference. Download latest firmware updates. Many more features to maximize your devices. Compatible devices, you can see Razer Anzu, Barracuda, Black Shark, Hammerhead, like Kraken. So that's basically the idea. Super cool app, actually. Quite a lot of legit good reviews in here. So that's just what you have. And then you can open it up. And this is just how it looks like. You can then just add devices, search, make sure to enable Bluetooth. You can add devices. There's feedback, Razer audio, then there are settings, FAQ, there is some support. So you can see all the guides in here. And this is just what you have. So yeah, that's the idea.